Hi, everybody. I wanted to talk to you about some of the integrations that are available in Screencastify. So here I am. I just recorded a Screencastify, and I'm given some options for what I want to do with the video. Now, one of my favorite things about Screencastify is that it integrates with your Google Drive. It automatically creates a folder in your Drive called Screencastify, and any videos you make just land there, and it happens automatically. And then you can share and email those links, put them in a chat. You have lots of options. But there's more. If you look over here, you could copy and share the shareable link so you can get that right away, which is nice. But you have these integrations, and you may or may not have those displaying. I'm going to talk to you about what these integrations are and then show you how to get them if you're interested. The first one is share to classroom. So if I make this video and I'm ready to go, I can click share to classroom. Up pops the integration with Google Classroom. I can choose the class that I want it to go to, and then I'm off. I can choose the action. I can make it an assignment. It can be an announcement, and I'm ready to go. The other option here is upload to Edpuzzle. So this is a video. That means it's eligible to go to Edpuzzle. And so if I click that, it will take me to the Edpuzzle website, and I'll be ready to use this video in an interactive activity for students. Remember, in Edpuzzle, you're able to insert questions within the video and really boost engagement that way. Those questions can be used to assess kids. It's a pretty powerful tool. And then the third one that's listed over here is Share on Remind. Remind is the new communication app that we have across the district, and it's currently rolling out. But you might think about using screencasts or using the embedded webcam to communicate. And so you can create videos here and share directly to Remind. You can share to students, you can share to families, lots of different options. Right below this Remind, I have this More Options button. And so you can get an embed code for this video. And embed codes are usually used for embedding video into websites, but there are some other options. I think you can do it also into slides. You could send it in an email, although this is specific to Gmail. You can create a QR code specifically for the video. And if you don't have any of these integrations to our new digital tools, you can go down to add more or share options, add more share options. And you can see it takes me to the App Smash library. And basically app smashing just means taking multiple apps, more than one app, and smashing them together, using them in conjunction with each other. And so I have switched on Edpuzzle and Remind. I don't have Wakelet turned on because I'm not a Wakelet user, but that's another tool that's out there. Wakelet's basically a way that you can curate resources digitally. And so I have those two switched on. If you would want either of those, you would also have to switch them on. So I hope this video helped you understand some of the options that are out there for these different integrations and app smashing, and also gave you the understanding of how to add those for yourself. Good luck as you move forward with these new digital tools. And until next time, hope this helps. Thanks for watching.